Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to a new face paint tutorial by Simone. Today she is creating this wonderful face mask using a split cake by Diamond FX called Happy Birthday. So this face paint is created mainly using a sponge today, and as you can see, Simone is putting that Happy Birthday split cake on her forehead using a sponge, and while flipping it around so the colors are in reverse from the design on the forehead. Also the eyes get some of that split cake and just a bit on the bridge of the nose. Any smudges you can clean up with a baby wipe. This is a stencil, a badass mini stencil. It is number 2027. And with this, Simone is making the centerpiece on the forehead and on the sides of the face the same shape, but then upside down. Diamond FX white on a Mark Reed brush, and some curls and teardrops will fill out any blanks that need some face paint on the skin. The centerpiece gets a lot of dots, as you can see. Try to put them all evenly from each other to create a nice looking design. A double dip flower and some stripes on the forehead. As you can see, Simone is using a long liner brush to make this easier for herself. A dark red lipstick, and Simone's Happy Birthday inspired face paint for today is finished. Well, we hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned on all our videos.